Hello and welcome to my design for the Fremantle market. The homepage shows exterior perspectives of the market, showcasing the main highlights of the design. Below is my developed theoretical position that architectural elements should evoke the senses and create a place for social engagement and site connection. Clicking on the Find Out More button will take you to the page about the project and a short description of my design intention, which was to connect the land and water of Frio and in turn connect the citizens to their history. Hopefully this is seen within my design. The schematic design button would take you to the drawings of the market. Clicking on the site plan, it will show you the new buildings located over the water facing a northwestern direction, providing the building with a nice afternoon sun and a beautiful sunset over the water. The floor plans show a clean design that has people coming in through the entrance and moving towards the courtyard and eating area that looks out towards the ocean. This is one of the main attractions which can be seen on both floor plans. Seeing in the elevations, you can see that the bottom floor is exposed to the elements while the first floor is closed off. This is done to reduce exposure to the harsh winds and give people the option to sit away from the elements, however not limiting anyone's view. I feel like through these elevations that I've achieved a deconstructive style of architecture. Seen in my section, the main focal point of the design, which is the vegetation area, has people moving towards that area. You can see it through the transition through the design towards the main focal point. The orientation of the site is the main reason I decided to go with a bit more of an enclosed space. I wanted to eliminate the effects of the harsh winds coming in from the southwest. With my exploded isometric view, you can see the kind of the ship-like quality to the structure and how it points out towards the sea, and intentionally moves people in this direction as well through its design and layout. Going with a traditional Australian building material, I decided to have the main exterior facade of the building to be corrugated steel, which makes it fit in with the design of the port, and it takes it to a new level. The exterior finishes, you can see the natural sanded concrete, the dark timber for the main highlights, and a touch of off-white and a dash of colour with the orange. Looking at the spatial glossary, I've addressed these elements through my design and applied them to its form and the main focal points of my design. This a few sketches of my ideation. And these are my perspectives, which shows the main focus of the design, which is the exterior facade, the ship-like quality soaring in the wind. As you can see, with every perspective and every view of the elevation, it's always a different view. No one view is exactly the same. This is the entrance. As you can see, it provides people with three options for movement. However, each direction they take leads them towards an eating area and a gathering spot with vegetation and a nice big open view of the ocean. This is the main focal point of my design. This is the bottom floor. Well, the vegetation, as you can see, kind of moves up towards and out onto the first floor as well. And on the first floor there is an opening which is exposed to the elements. On the second floor also gives people the access to an open deck that looks out towards all points of Fremantle. And yes, this has been my design for the Fremantle marketplace. Thank you for listening.